Definitely got an innie. Just like his bro.
Hi. I think we all have innies, don't we?
Jax doesn't.
Are you gonna squeal? Hmm? Oh.
Taylor, right behind you, there's a burp cloth. Right behind you, right there.
Got my hair. Got my hair.
One on the iPhone, the other with his ball.
Yes. Hi. Hi, Squealer. Come on. Come on. Hi. Can you get excited? Hmm? You gonna get excited?
Tickle his armpit.
No, because that'll frustrate him.
Oh, okay, okay. Okay. Okay.
I gotta get off my tiptoes. The camera's shaking.
You gonna talk? Can you say something? Hmm? Can you say something? What?
Jax.
What? Yeah. Come on.
Don't
Come
eat his
on.
fingers.
What?
The dog was licking my fingers, that's what. I know where that tongue's been.
Oh, I'm right
There we
here.
go.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Good boy. Good boy. Get back down here. Hi. Oh. Hey. Hey. What? What?
What you doing, Cheeks?
I'm just playing a game.
What game? Oops.
It's a rat game.
It's a rat game.
Trying to eat cheese.
Yeah, I'm trying to get the cheese ready.
Are you gonna repeat everything I
The ball.
say?
Go get the ball. Oh, you want the ball? You want the ball? Go get the ball.
So this is what first thing is.
Come here. Bring me the ball.
Oh, okay. You're come here.
This is just Monday night.
Come here. Good boy. Come here. Oh. Come here.
Want to show everybody what happened to you tonight? Show us.
I need your sock.
What happened?
My earring fell out of this one, so we got new ones in.
We had to get new earrings, huh? The old, ooh, I lost my earring trick. Guess I need new ones. Huh.
Yeah.
Say something.
Hello.
Say something else.
I love stone.
Yeah? Good for you. Good thing to say.
Whoa. What is that?
You hear that dog trying to be tough?
What? You get a little cold? Should you put on your jammies? Hmm? Should you put on your jammies? Jump. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh. Yeah. Get
Those
excited.
feet kicking down there.
Get excited.
Okay, say goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Me. Oh, bye-bye.
Me?
Bye.
What is so important that you are doing right now?
Playing the game.